Hello and welcome to the channel, Exila Trader, and today we're going to talk live markets. Here we go. So, right now I'm looking at the Dingo to the Canadian, okay, Australian dollar to Canadian on the 1 hour chart. Okay, it's live right now, 0936 GMT time, so London time. Clearly see this is in a big uptrend. It's been going there since April 3rd, so over a month now this has been going on an uptrend. Like I said on all my previous other videos as well, you got this trend support, trend resistance, and then you got the 50% line. Okay, you can see where it's come up, 50% line broke, hit the trend resistance, and it's slowly come back down. I say down, but obviously it's an uptrend, so it's still going up, but this is the point where it bounces off to come down to then retest this trend support. Hits trend support, comes up again around the 50% line, can't break the 50% line, comes down to trend support again, and this time it's broken trend support. Now if I zoom in, you will see it broke the trend support, retested trend support, and broke away from trend support. So right now we're looking at a trend reversal and a possible new downtrend to start. Now if it is a new downtrend, that's a good thing for us because we can catch it on the break, not a problem. Possibilities, yeah, probabilities, it's all about probabilities, it's not about prediction, it's all about probabilities, and the probability of the fact is this is looking like a new downtrend channel, albeit it may be small compared to the month's uptrend we've had, but this could be a new downtrend channel. The possibility of that is quite high. The probability of that, is quite high, as it has broken the trend support. Once trend support is broken, it turns into trend resistance. That's fine. So you can see now it's hit this high and it's bounced off the trend resistance to create this new downtrend. The probability now is that the market is going to head straight down, okay, straight down to bounce off this trend support line, this downward trend support line. Also, I get the golden box out and look at this massive consolidation range here, massive consolidation range. Okay, I dragged it all the way across to the future, just like we always do. Let me just pull it up. So look at this. So it's come in, it's hit the 50, around the 50 area. It's bouncing off the bottom here, hit the top, consolidation, breaks out, retests. So you're in a consolidation support and resistance zone. You're on a trend support line, which is now turned into a trend resistance zone, and then it's dropped out of this support and resistance golden zone, retested it, came back out, went for a secondary retest, came back out, came back in, but now we are clear of the trend. We've hit this top high point and we've started to see the drop. Okay, let's open this up a little bit more so it's a bit more clearer. Okay, so this is the drop now happening live. You can see where it's hit the top of this trend line, this trend support line now, this downward trend support line, and this looks like the probability of the next market move. Okay, so looking at it, we'll be looking something like this. Okay, something like that. So I'll redraw that. Come down, possibly around the 50, hit that trend, and that's what we're kind of looking at. That's the probability of the market now. Down around the 50 area, up to the top, and then back down again. If I just open up the transparency on that so you can see it a bit clearer. There we go. That's what we're looking at there. Okay, you most probably end up having a nice bit of consolidation here, because if we look around here, that runs in line with this area. If I pull out the golden zone again, this big area here, look at that, perfect to see. probability of the market is this. Okay, if that is the case, let's delete that now. We are looking at a, there you go, 100 pip drop there. This is Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar. I would enter probably around here. If it breaks out and drops down, that's where I'd enter. Take 95 pip run down. I place a TP1 roughly around this area here, and then a TP2 down on the bottom into this golden zone. That's what we'll be looking at. So that's my market analysis of Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. Hope you enjoy it. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you've got any charts you want me to look at, any currencies or commodities, indexes, anything like that. Give us a shout, and I hope to see you on the next video. Have a good day.